Recently, kaka-open lang namin ng DMB Experience Center. Bakit? To showcase na paano kami mag-isip in a long term and ipakita namin in a professional way gaano kaganda ang negosyo natin. Pasok mo pa lang, mafe-feel mo agad yung welcome environment na meron ng DMB. Second, makikita mo agad yung product display namin na kung saan lahat ng produkto ng DMB ay makikita natin. Dito sa ground floor, pinaganda at inayos namin ang redemption, ang reception, at cashier area upang mapadali natin ang pagnenegosyo ng mga distributor. Meron din kaming boardroom para sa aming mga board of directors. Pag-akit mo naman dito sa second floor, meron kami tinatawag na encoding center, kung saan dito mo i-encode yung mga pumapasok ng mga bagong distributor. Katabing-katabi ng encoding station natin is yung area kung saan pwedeng mag-table talk ang mga distributors natin para sa kanilang mga invites and downlines. Actually, meron din kami tinatawag na special area. Ito tinatawag naming Top Earners Lounge. Dito, ang pwede lang gumamit ay lahat ng annual top earners ng company. Siyempre, hindi naman mawawala yung tinatawag naming training or orientation room, kung saan dito kinakandak lahat ng product orientation and trainings sa company. Dito naman sa training room, kompleto tayo ng audio-visual equipment para sa ating mga presentation. Actually, bukod sa BMB Deer Placenta, meron din kaming bleaching set. Ang main benefit ng bleaching set namin, which is yung sa lotion and charcoal soap namin, is yung constant use nito to enlighten your skin tone. Bukod dun sa bleaching set namin, meron kaming mga variants of perfumes. And ang good thing kasi is, ito ay tinatawag naming oil-based, na long-lasting, and even sa akin, lasting siya until 2 to 3 days.
So, what do you expect when you take Be My Beauty Deer Placenta? First, improve vitality. So, you feel energized, no? You sleep better. As a matter of fact, your bowel movements improve. The aesthetic aspect, you will improve your sagging face. Your pigmentation will disappear gradually. As a matter of fact, microscopically, your cholesterol will go down. The mechanism by how it works is rather complex. No? But to make it simple, the active ingredients of Be My Beauty Deer Placenta aims to restore, regenerate, reactivate the organs of your body. The objective of which ultimately is to put the functions of the organ at optimum.
Last April 26 was the opening of the BMB Experience Center. At the same time, it was also a live encashment event here in the company. Yung sa live encashment natin was a major event of the company because it showcased the distributors and the incomes that they had. The builders can expect a full support when it comes to the management. And siguro with the trainings, we can provide them constant training so that we can develop them to make them like a better person. At the same time, we can level up their knowledge and their skills na alam mo yun, para mas maparami yung ating mga distributors na makakasama, businessmen, at the same time din yung clients natin.
Since nagdaan ng buong mundo sa pandemic, maraming na-displace na Pilipino, lalo na ang Pilipino na nawalan ng trabaho. So naisip natin na itayo ang BMB with the flagship product na Deer Placenta para ma-address yung both sides ng problema. Ito yung financially at yung health concern. Basically, ang ating mission is to elevate the quality of life of every Filipinos here and abroad. Dahil nga marami ang Pilipino na nag-a-abroad na lang. May pera naman sa Pilipinas. Pwede natin subukan yung BMB para maging sagot sa kanilang problema. Ang maganda rito sa BMB, we are guided ng aming core values, which is the 8 core values of BMB. So, napakarami niyan. So, ang gusto kong diinan diyan yung leadership na kung saan ituturuan natin o i-guide natin yung bawat entrepreneur na maging example sila. So, yung leadership skills nila, i-enhance natin. So, hindi lang basta entrepreneur, kundi talagang mag-guide nila yung kapwa nila members, distributors, na maging negosyanteng ibang level, parang gano'n. Samahan mo kami tuparin ang aming mission to build a better tomorrow for our fellow Filipinos here and abroad.